Tell us.
Yeah, I guess it's true. When you look how far away the clouds in the horizon.
Hold up, let me zoom in.
Dude, you're fucking jacked. Sean, you look fucking sick, dude. Look at that guy.
Like to the front. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna rinse it and drink it.
It's cold. It's not hot.
This is gonna be a good workout, actually. Just treading water for the next hour.
Oh, what the fuck? I need to train how to breathe.
Yeah.
I don't even have asthma. Hello.
What up?
Look at those abs.
What up? You can touch me if you
Say
want.
hi.
Oh.
Look at those abs.
Anybody else? When I think about you, I touch myself. And nobody else. When I think about you, I touch myself. I do like, it's usually like a mix between like plank is like a resting. And then what do you do for those? Yeah. The plank is the fucking. This is how we do it. Oh my God, we're back again. Ivy, come on, pop your head up. Pop that little head up. Come on. I'm getting a video. I'm holding the camera higher. Hey! Yeah! Yeah! I don't want anybody else. When I think about you, I touch myself. And nobody else. When I think about you, I touch myself. Oh shit. What happened?
Nothing happened.
It's like it is any headwind. People act like it's an antenna or something. Like, where do you think the headwind's going? It's like creating positive pressure on the cliff and going up. So it's like
there's always
Fucking
Get in
love
the
polo
shot.
pants.
Yeah, you might as well take one of these bottles with you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, for those of us who look better on video, let's fucking get this shot here.
Definitely going on my YouTube.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's gonna go on your YouTube because you're trying to make money off these handsome Americans. That's what's happening here. Yeah.
Best jump ever.
Have fun, doggy. So you can back up if you want to. Make sure you zip your arms up before you go. There you go. Hell yeah.
All right.
She did a kick maneuver. I think I got her. I gave her some forward movement.
Hell yeah, girl.
Have fun.
Ah,
Hell yeah.
it's been a while.
Oh, your A6 on. Okay.
That's why it's so tight.
Okay, that makes sense.
Chest strap, leg straps.
Got food, pilot food as well.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
All right, you ready, dude?
I'm ready.
Hell yeah, dog. Let's have some fun. Another energy drinks for kids.
Yeah. Woo. Hell yeah. Woo.
I think I did 4 seconds, right? That was
What a day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Bye. I love you.
I'll come to the drop zone again
I'll see
now that
you
I
in
paid
Seattle.
for my USDA.
Yeah, yeah.
Where's Hayes? I'm here to give you a hug too.
Hi, B.
Hayes. Oh, thank you for everything. Thanks for waiting for me. Like,
The only guy who did.
exactly. And he even offered to carry my shit, so. Stay safe, have fun. I'll see you in,
Cape Town?
yeah. Wee. Bye.
Goodbye.
Stay four, stay four.
Hell yeah, dog. Yo, hey, PLD, brother.
Wee.
And that's a wrap.
That will be the end of my
That's a
YouTube
wrap.
video.
Hey, this is the end of the video. Cut.